So in this Canva tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to how to edit outline thickness of the text here on Canva using Canva desktop. So once Canva's opened up on your device, what you have to do is obviously go ahead and add some text to your design. So here's my example right here. I'll just type in the word text in all capitals, make it a little bit larger so it's easier for you guys to see. So if you want to add some outlines or whatever to your text, the simplest way to do it is to press on text right here, go to the top, press on effects, go to where it says outline right here, and there you go. Now by default, the outline thickness is at 50, but if you were to slide this bar right here to the right, you actually can increase it, or you can also slide this bar to the left if you want to make it a little bit less or decrease it. But for example, if you wanted to make the letters a little bit more spread out, if you don't want the outlines kind of connecting right here, press on the spacing right here, adjust the letter spacing, or not, sorry, not the line spacing, the letter spacing right here, so that as you can tell, nothing more is being connected. And then same thing. You can go to effects right here. You can go to outline. You can change the thickness or the thinness. You can change the color of it as well. Whatever the case may be, it's right in front of you guys. But that is how you guys can edit the outline thickness of some text here on Canva desktop. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.